Hello everyone, I'm Aisha, and you are tuned in to the 562nd episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So let's dive right in. Let's kick off today's episode with a crucial update from Times of India, highlighting a groundbreaking initiative set to benefit expatriates across the globe. Kerala government is preparing to launch its first comprehensive health and accident insurance scheme exclusively for Keralites living abroad, a step toward ensuring their well-being. The scheme promises cashless treatment at over 16,000 hospitals nationwide, including more than 500 in Kerala, with efforts underway to extend coverage to Gulf Cooperation Council countries. Returning expatriates will be able to renew their policies within Kerala, making continuity of care easier than ever. The plan offers Rs 5 lakh in health coverage and Rs 10 lakh in accident coverage, providing a strong safety net for families abroad. The registration drive runs from September 22 to October 22, with mobile apps launching to simplify access. Coverage officially begins on November 1, sells Kerala Pirvi Day, ushering in a new chapter of security and support for the Keralites. Coming up, we turn our attention to a timely insight featured in Mumbai Mirror 1, that's especially relevant in light of recent events across India. Since May, extreme weather has wreaked havoc. Floods, landslides, and relentless rains have displaced over 7 lakh people and damaged thousands of homes. These events highlight a growing need, protecting our homes from the unexpected. Despite the risks, home insurance remains largely overlooked. Many people don't realize that rebuilding a house can cost lakhs, while insurance premiums are surprisingly affordable. A comprehensive policy can cover natural disasters, fire, theft, and even accidental damage. Whether you are a tenant or a homeowner, there are options. Standard plans like Bharat Grih, Raksha offer built-in coverage and useful add-ons for valuables and temporary housing. With flexible tenures and coverage based on reconstruction cost, it's time to rethink how we safeguard what matters most. In uncertain times, preparation is protection. Our next update comes from the Mobi world. Whether you're riding a bike or driving a truck, accidents can strike unexpectedly, and when they do, the biggest concern is what to do next in filing your insurance claim. One common question is, do you need to file an FIR after a collision? The answer depends on the situation. For minor damage, it's usually not required. But if there's injury, loss of life, or significant third-party damage, filing a FIR becomes essential. It's the legal backbone of your claim. So, what should you do after an accident? First, inform the police and get that FIR. Then, notify your insurer within 24 hours. Document everything: photos, videos, vehicle details, and injuries. Avoid repairs until the surveyor gives the green light. Submit all necessary documents, and once approved, opt for cashless repair or reimbursement. Stay calm, act fast, and let the paperwork do the heavy lifting. And for our final story today, we turn to Andhra Prabha, which highlights an important conversation around the safety of agricultural laborers. These workers are the backbone of our food system, yet as farming becomes more mechanized and reliant on chemicals and digital tools, the risks they face are growing. Heat strokes, electric shocks, and equipment-related accidents are just a few examples. Given these challenges, insurance emerges as a vital safety net. A basic health and accident policy can offer crucial financial support, helping families manage medical costs and income loss during tough times. Many laborers work in remote areas with limited access to emergency care. Insurance can bridge that gap, offering peace of mind and protection. Even modest coverage can make a meaningful impact. As agriculture continues to evolve, ensuring the well-being of those who sustain it is essential. Promoting awareness and access to insurance is a step toward a safer, more resilient farming community. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, We'll continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great weekend ahead.